Hey, what's going on, my fellow lawn care hustlers, grinders, and business owners? Hey, check it out. You always want to carry a magnet with you, a rolling magnet. If you're a customer, if you know that they're going to get their roof done, all right, more likely they're going to have nails after the roofers leave. Okay, the roofers, they do their best. They got a magnet to try to get the nails off the ground. But look, y'all, right there. All right, I just wrote this around the whole house. One swipe, y'all, it got all that right there. Okay, so always carry a magnet with you. Okay, it's something good to have. Maybe you have a new customer. A customer called you during the day, and you're gonna go over there and give them a quote. All right, you find out that they got the roof done. Well, you probably want to get that magnet and just slap it around the house. Or if you're in a new area, new housing area, brand new houses they got done, and first time the lawn's gonna get mowed. Well, more likely those roofers left. No one picked up those nails from those roofers. Okay, so get yourself a magnet. All right, just be careful, because I bought that because I got tired of getting flat tires with from roofing nails. Anyway, hey, I hope this helped out. God bless. Stay motivated, stay hydrated. See you on the next video. Bye.